And welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, February 8th. XRP is at $1.43. It is currently 9:37 p.m. Let's dive right into today's video and take a look and see what we got going on. Guys, we have from February 6th from Bird saying Trump had XRP backwards behind him yesterday. And as Trump was speaking on the 5th of February, you can see we've got XRP in reverse, TrumpRx.gov. Could this be a subliminal message, guys? We've got XRP right behind Trump. And we got, boom, XRP making a V-shaped recovery after the crazy week we've had. Guys, we made a video this week showing XRP going down to $1.12. And so far, we have made a nice recovery. XRP's resistance is behaving as expected. The higher low formation is now in motion. $1.30 is the target to fall to before continuing higher. We've got the fractal, guys, playing out. We've got subtract the market, wave of incoming liquidity. The new king proclaims his crown. We've got $1.11 hit. Again, 2017, the first super cycle in cryptocurrency history was probably in 2017. And as you guys can see, the 2017 price action before XRP had a parabolic run to the upside. It had a major wick down, touching this blue line going up. And right now, we've had very similar price action, although we could maybe come down a little bit more than we have. But then it shows almost immediately after a strong move to the upside. Guys, I mean, look at the RSIs. They're extended. We're going to have to see a parabolic straight RSI breakout to the upside for this to play out. So again, we'll see if this plays out within the next couple weeks. But it is getting crunch time to see if this fractal is going to be invalidated or not. We've got Waters Above saying, Dear XRP Army, this is still in play. Nothing has changed. Even if we go lower than the February 5th liquidation event, it doesn't change my macro thesis. XRP equals the accelerated silver chart. So what he's saying is XRP will break out to new all-time highs, just as silver has done right now. And he's trying to compare these charts to the silver chart up top here. I mean, maybe they're comparable. We'll see ultimately, guys, if we can get that breakout to the upside, if that 2017 fractal will be in play, and if Waters Above here is correct in his analysis. We've got from Bubba, one of the XRP insiders, saying February 7th with a heart, and then David Schwartz back in 2022. I guess I might have bumped into the switch while I was sleeping on February 7th, 2022. So guys, could we see starting this week something massive happening for XRP? We've got the Riddlers told you constantly, expect the unexpected, the Phoenix will rise. We've got it's simple for XRP. We're hovering around $1.40 right now. Key resistance to break is $1.80 to 210. Once we get above 210, we could see open skies ahead. The key support is $1.20 to $1.10. If we lose the current low around $1.10, we could expect potentially 70 cents for XRP. The break resistance, we could expect to run back to $3. That's it. Don't complicate it. That's all we got. And guys, remember, as always said, from Bubba Cugs again and the XRP insiders, first we clear out retail, then one giant leap overnight. Enjoy the movie. You guys, they want you out of XRP before events happen, and they moon it. This is their plan. So hold on tight. They're going to shake the markets. They want you to sell. Let's dive right into the charts for XRP. You can see we're currently at $1.44. Looking at the daily here, this was that V-shaped recovery we had. If we take it to the hourly, you can see that nice V-shaped recovery. And we've been consolidating sideways, potentially nearing a breakout on the hourly time frame. So as you guys can see, we've got this resistance here that we're currently testing right now. And we'll see if we can get that break above. But ultimately, guys, the real resistance is going to be this area here. Well, let me get this drawn. So what you guys can actually see here is support, support, and then it flips into resistance all around here, resistance here. So guys, really this is the key level to watch. A break above $1.50 with a nice 4-hour candle closure could indicate a strong move to the upside for XRP. If we take a look at the weekly, we had the weekly close today. We can zoom in a little bit. Wow, we came perfectly. We kissed this level here, came all the way down to $1.12. And we had a decent pull up on the weekly. Not necessarily a doji candle, but when we see these weekly candles with long bodies to the downside and then closing by pulling up, you can see this weekly candle really pulled up. A lot of the times, you know, we can get a bullish weekly candle, a bullish pump after these types of candles. You know, one instance of this, you can see right here where we had this long candle down the downside, and we did push up a little bit. The next candle was green, pushed above it. That would be $1.70 or more. And you can see it continue to push up for a couple weeks before eventually going even lower. So, you know, could we potentially push up this week and push up for a couple weeks here? Potentially, yeah. And if the 2017 fractal is in play, then we should be getting a massive move to the upside very, very soon. Guys, you can see this resistance better seen on the daily, where we've got resistance all here, and then it turns into support, support, and right now, again, support, perfect support. Let me know what you guys think down below. But yeah, so far, guys, we'll have to see what happens. We got a new fresh weekly candle. We've had 5 red weeks in a row. Let's see how this plays out for XRP. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning to the channel, liking the video, subscribing. We're at 270 subscribers. Let's get to 300, and I will see you there. Till next time.